MANHART is a Wuppertal, Germany-based tuner that can look back at 30 years of experience in turning good cars into very special cars. Their modern lineup has gone much further than the initially offered BMW vehicles, and now includes models from major European manufacturers as well as some Japanese makes. In this episode, we'll acquaint you with the latest projects by MANHART that will rumble on the streets and highways in 2021. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News not to miss the upcoming lineup reviews. Ring the notification bell and smash the like button before we even begin. Let's start the engines. MANHART MH8 800. This is the fastest and the most powerful version of the BMW M8 coupe that has been pumped by MANHART by more than 200 horses. The sports car received a turbo performance upgrade and new ECU mapping for its 4.4-liter V8, increasing the output to 883 ponies and 774 pound-feet. As a result, the performance specifications of the model have been improved as well. 0 to 60 time was decreased by 0.7 seconds to 2.6, while acceleration to 124 miles per hour now happens an astounding 8.3 seconds, compared to 10.8 seconds by the factory make. Additionally, the MH8 800 is enhanced by the new 21-inch wheels, stainless steel exhaust with 4 carbon fiber or ceramic tailpipes, and a comprehensive interior overhaul. MANHART RQ 900. With the arrival of the RS Q8, the pantheon of 190 mph production SUVs was completed. The German SUPRA crossover joins the Bentayga Speed and Lambo Urus at the top and becomes one of the most popular platforms for tuners to work with in 2020. This mastodon was gifted by MANHART a duo of larger turbochargers, a completely new exhaust system, and optimized 8-speed transmission. As the name suggests, it is now putting out 900 horsepower and 797 pound-feet. The ride height is lowered by 1 inch or 3 centimeters. To highlight this overwhelming power, the MANHART RQ 900 wears a wide body kit with carbon exterior components, and there are 3 spoilers in total. The new wheel set is represented by 23-inch MANHART concave 1 rims, 10.5 and 12 inches wide. MANHART SUPRA GR450. While many SUPRA fans are still outraged because of the new model's close relation to the BMW Z4, this fact actually works for MANHART's advantage. With plenty of experience working on BMW cars, the tuner was able to bring to the market their first Toyota mod in record time. Thanks to the installation of the company's MH-tronic power box and engine remapping, the revised SUPRA received a serious power and torque boost, netting 450 horses and 479 pound-feet, up from the stock 340 and 369 respectively. On the outside, the MANHART SUPRA is set apart by the new paintwork, updated exhaust, and 21-inch concave 1 alloy wheels. Finally, the full upgrade package also includes suspension tuning with lowering springs or a new KW coilover 3-way suspension. MANHART MH8. Right from the factory, the BMW X3M is powered by the inline-six 3.0-liter unit, which is producing 510 horsepower and is capable to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. However, with MANHART's treatment, the MH8 600 is likely to stay below the 4 seconds mark. Both peak torque and power output of the crossover are pumped substantially, and now reach 630 horsepower and 569 pound-feet respectively. From the outside, this BMW is distinguished by a special gloss black body color with golden pinstripes. The stock wheels are replaced by a set of custom 21-inch rims, while the car itself sits lower by 30mm or 1.2 inches thanks to the H&R lowering springs. Now is a great time to smash the like button to support our channel. Pay attention to the upcoming models and share your top picks in the comments below. Let's get back to it. MANHART G700 INFERNO. This build was commissioned on a request from the car dealer Hamid Masareh. The Inferno was built over a skeleton of a Mercedes-AMG G63, refined with a complete carbon body kit from Top Car Design. The MANHART turbo, intercooler, and air intake upgrades were coupled with some software tweaks to turn the standard 585 horsepower and 627 pound-feet into massive 712 HP and 811 pound-feet. This brute now breathes through a stainless steel exhaust system with MANHART raised down pipes, giving out menacing sounds. If desired, the G700 Inferno can also be ordered with a lowering kit by H&R, plus 23-inch MANHART Inferno line or 22-inch Top Car Shark style wheels are up for grabs. MANHART Urus 800. Many would say that Lamborghini Urus has already been sculpted to perfection, but luckily, tuners do not agree with such claims and challenge themselves with thorough reworks for this model. MANHART, for example, lets the bull show its true potential with more power, sound, and drama. Equipped with the familiar performance upgrade kit and MH-tronic power box, the 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8 gets a power boost to 810 horses. The built-in MANHART Sports exhaust system features 4x100mm carbon tailpipes that produce truly intimidating growl. Visual changes involve the installation of a Top Car Design carbon body kit, MANHART decals, and concave one wheels in Sil Matte Black. The MANHART Urus 800 is wearing exclusive paint work and enhances the sporty feel of the interior with a 12-piece carbon interior package. MANHART MH8 800. In June 2020, BMW revealed a facelifted version of their M5 performance sedan, but of course, none of the aftermarket shops have gotten their hands on it yet. Before that happens, we will have to be satisfied with the 6th generation MANHART MH5 that also sports a comprehensive exterior revision and some updated engine tech. The sports sedan boasts plenty of carbon fiber bodywork components, including a new hood with GTR inlets, front and rear spoilers, side skirts, and a rear diffuser. There are silk matte black 21-inch wheels, the suspension setup is tweaked, while the 4.4-liter V8 is linked to a revised 8-speed gearbox. The mill itself is also upgraded to produce 815 horses and 774 pound-feet, receiving new mapping, air intake, and intercooler. MANHART SV600. Based on the SV Autobiography Dynamic Edition, this modified Range Rover Velar gains even more serious muscles under the hood. The already capable supercharged 5.0-liter V8 was good enough to deliver 550 horsepower and 502 pound-feet of torque. But with MANHART's signature SV600 package, those numbers increase to 600 ponies and 553 pound-feet of peak torque. More furious rumbling of the engine is complemented with a flap-controlled sport exhaust system, plus the SUV gets huge gloss black rims by Hawk that measure 23 inches in diameter. In addition, the vehicle's chassis and brakes can be upgraded per customer's request. MANHART Golf RS 450. While car enthusiasts are still waiting for the 8th generation of the truck-inspired Golf R, MANHART are saying goodbye to the Mark 7 model with their version of the most powerful Golf. As with every project from the tuner, the secret behind the limited RS 450 hot hatch hides under its bonnet. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder is given the turbo performance upgrade and Armor Carbon air intake. Together with an ECU remap, the boosted engine makes 450 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Greater power comes with enhanced driving dynamics, provided by the lowering springs from the H&R and MANHART suspension tweaks. From the outside, the vehicle adds a front splitter from Rieger, unique decals, and 19-inch concave one wheels with diamond-polished look. We have already reviewed a bunch of German tuning companies. Which one makes the most bonkers projects these days? Cast your votes in the comment section and mention your favorite model from this list. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News, ring the bell to get alerts about the most informative lineups on YouTube, and smash the like button until it turns blue. We'll see you soon.